Welcome to this BoldDesk tutorial. In this video, I will explain the basic and advanced filters in the ticketing module to quickly find the tickets you need. Additionally, I will show you how to save and share them as ticket views to use them across your team. Filters enable agents and teams to organize, prioritize, and access relevant tickets efficiently, whether by status, priority, date, custom fields, or complex combinations. To get started, log into your BoldDesk agent portal as an administrator. Navigate to the Tickets module. Here, you'll find the Filters option on the right side. Click it to open the filter panel. By default, the basic filter view is displayed. It offers a quick and straightforward way to sort tickets using a limited set of predefined system fields. They're perfect for everyday filtering without needing complex logic. Simply select your criteria from the drop-downs. For example, if I want to filter out high-priority tickets that are open, I can set the status to Open and Priority to High and click Apply. The ticket list will now update to show only the high-priority tickets that are open. Note that you can choose multiple options from each drop-down. Once you've found the perfect combination of filters, click the Save As option, and in the window that opens, give your new view a clear name. Choose Visibility, either private to you, shared with any agent, or shared with a specific group. Select the ticket sort order, either ascending or descending, and then the columns that you want displayed, and click Save. Your custom view now appears in the left sidebar in the Views list. You can access it any time with a single click without reapplying filters manually. Next, let me show you how the Advanced filter works. Advanced filters are ideal for creating dynamic views tailored to your workflow, whether you're tracking overdue tickets, monitoring SLA compliance, or managing tickets by custom fields. I click the Switch to Advanced Filter option from the right side panel. This opens the Advanced Filters panel from the right. The Advanced filters create precise ticket views using two linked filter groups. The top group, which contains the required conditions that every ticket must meet, and the group below the AND divider, which contains optional conditions where only one needs to match. Because the groups are connected by AND, tickets must satisfy all rules in the top group and at least one rule in the bottom group. For example, you can filter tickets that are high priority and created this month in the top group, and then require that they are either under hardware and software or under technical support in the bottom group. The tickets with these criteria will be displayed. You can use Save As to create a new view or save to update an existing one. Note that saved advanced views update automatically, giving you live insights without needing to refresh. Managing your views is simple. The left side panel contains default ticket views and custom ticket views, including the ones I just created. To switch views, I simply click on the one I want, and it instantly becomes my current view. Click the More Options icon next to the Created Ticket filter to open a context menu, which contains 6 options. These options allow you to manage and refine views efficiently. The Edit setting allows you to modify general properties of the view, such as its name or visibility, while the Edit filter option modifies the conditions used to determine which tickets appear in that view. If a view is no longer needed, the Delete option removes it, while Clone creates an exact copy that you can modify independently. You can also add a view to your favorites for quick access or set it as your default, so it becomes the primary view you see when working with tickets. Note, however, that default ticket views cannot be deleted or cloned. Using basic and advanced filters in BoldDesk turns them into powerful, reusable ticket views, streamlining your workflow, reducing clutter, and helping your team focus on what matters most. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more BoldDesk guides. Thanks for watching.